Hello, beautiful people. I just wanted to share that I woke up with such an abundance of joy. I'm taking a break from prepping for the new year. I have one more fire prop to complete, and then I'll be getting ready for the Dawning, which is an amazing New Year's event if you're in the Tampa, Florida area. I don't know if you've been following me, but I've been doing a lot of internal work. 2018 has been an extremely transformational period for me. And yeah, I definitely suggest doing forgiveness rituals, releasing any type of doubts or toxic energy. We are all responsible for our own state of mind, and we are the creators of our reality. Yeah, so I hope that you bring in the new year beautifully, and I hope that we can all manifest what we know that we're capable of and be the best versions of ourselves. And yeah, I just wanted to share this with you, and I hope that the energy that I'm sending out you can feel no matter where you are in the universe. And yeah, let's make 2019 our year. Let's put all those things that we need to in place and implement the manifestations that we know that we're capable of. Yeah, and I also wanted to share something. My skin has been looking better than it has in years, and some natural ways of doing it. I do have serums and oils and stuff like that, so if you have any concerns, I can whip you up something. But just eating right, taking proper vitamins of some of the nutrients that you might not be eating during the day, and egg whites. If you're vegan, chickens will also eat their own eggs, and they will leave the half-eaten eggs, so you could just use some of the egg white from their eggs that they've already cracked open and start eating, because they really seem to like them, and you won't be hurting anything. And yeah, it does amazing things for the skin, and also really good sex with somebody that you have a healthy relationship with can do amazing things. If you can, definitely do a binger. Over 24 hours is amazing. Yeah. Have a great New Year's.